Stop. Good job. Good job. And the release command is okay. Okay. I want to say hello to my parents.
How does he do like come?
Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's our biggest thing. When he go back inside, when he's running away or anything like that, when we want him to come back inside, is just him responding to coming
Oh,
to
he
us.
comes in an instant. That's from the excitement. Pero, here, good. Here, boy, here. There you go. Sit. Good. Yes. Good job. Okay. Here. Good. Sit. Good job. That's the command. But yeah, and make sure when you can start eliminating tricks during the process of readjustment.
Okay.
But the only time that you always give him a treat when he comes back from the recall.
Okay.
That would be always, because what about if he's about to get into an accident, somebody running over, or a dog fighting? So you always want to make sure that he comes back to you. So keep practicing that, because that's the most important thing is the recall on any dog.
Okay.